Hi guys. So in this session we are going to learn the definition of valency and some examples as well. So first look at the definition. The combining capacity of an atom with a number of other atoms is known as its valency. Okay. See, look at this molecule. In this I have taken BCl3 as an example, that means boron trichloride. So here we have one boron and three chlorine atoms. So how they formed actually, the boron, it is combining with three chlorine atoms. So as it can combine with three chlorine atoms, the boron valency is 3. So similarly, you can also see the second example, that is methane. Here we have one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. So in this, the carbon, it is directly attaching with 4 hydrogen atoms. That means it is combining with 4 other atoms. Hence the carbon valency is 4 only. See, let us take the third example. In this example, the well-known one is carbon dioxide is our example. In this one carbon we have 2 oxygen atoms also we have. So here the carbon, it is attaching with the 2 oxygen atoms. Okay, as we have 2 oxygen atoms, it can able to combine with 2 oxygen atoms. But what is our definition? Earlier we have seen. See, in the beginning we discussed the definition, right? Valence is what? The combining capacity of an atom with number of other atoms is known as its valency. So according to this definition, if you look at this carbon dioxide molecule, this carbon, it is directly attached with 2 oxygen atoms. So the carbon valence should be 2 only. But in reality that is not correct, because see, if you look at these 3 examples, in the first example, the chlorine, it can able to form only single bond. Here also single bond. And in this methane molecule also, the hydrogen, it can able to form single bond with the central atom. But in this case, the oxygen atom, it can able to form 2 bonds. So in this case, you have to take valence is equal not the number of oxygen atoms. You have to take twice the number of oxygen atoms. That means here you have 2 oxygen atoms. So twice, double it. That means 2 into 2, 4. So the carbon valency is 4 here. Okay. So once again I am going to repeat the examples. So in this BCl3 molecule, boron, it can form 3 bonds with 3 chlorine atoms and all are single bonds. So the valency of boron is, see, let me take the valency of boron is 3. So this is also equal to the number of chlorine atoms. And in this molecule, the valency of carbon is equal to, carbon valency is equal with how many atoms it can combine? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So valency of, V stands for valency. Valency of carbon is equal to 4. And this also we can say that this is equal to number of what? Hydrogen atoms. And in this case, this valency of boron is equal to 3, we wrote, right? But this is also equal to number of chlorine atoms. How many atoms we have? 3. So number of chlorine atoms. In this case, so carbon valency, actually what I said, its valency is, according to definition, the number of oxygen atoms 2. So its valence should be 2, generally we consider, but that is not the case. As the oxygen can able to form 2 bonds, not like the hydrogen and chlorine, we should take double the number of oxygen atoms as a valency of carbon. So carbon valency is double the number of oxygen atoms. So twice we should, 2 into how many oxygen atoms are there? 2 are there, right? So 2, total 4. So carbon valency is what? 4. So this is also equal to what? Twice. See, here I am writing that one. Twice the number of oxygen atoms, or double the number of oxygen atoms, that is equal to carbon valency. Okay. See, you can also define the valency in other words, like basing on the other three examples we have taken, like a CH4, BCl3, carbon dioxide. Basing on these three examples also we can define the valency, that is the combining capacity of an atom with number of hydrogen atoms you can take, or number of chlorine atoms, or double the number of oxygen atoms is known as valency. Just now we have taken, in the case of oxygen atom, we should take twice the number of oxygen atoms. Okay, see the same examples what we have discussed. For CH4 molecule, valency of carbon is equal number of hydrogens. Here we have 4 hydrogens, so valency of carbon is equal 4. For BCl3 molecule, valency of boron is equal number of chlorine atoms. That means in this molecule, how many chlorine atoms are there? 3. So valency for boron is equal 3. But in the case of carbon dioxide molecule, valency of carbon is equal to double the number of oxygen atoms. In this molecule, how many oxygen atoms are there? 2 are there. So double it. Then that is, when you double the oxygen atoms, the number it represents the carbon valency. So hence carbon valency is 4. See, you can also take the screenshot of the definition of valency, the previous one also, this one also you can take. So now let us define the velocity with molecular models as examples. See, BCl3 molecule, same molecular model I have taken. So this the black atom, it represents the boron atom, the green atoms represent the chlorine atoms. So this boron can combine with 3 chlorine atoms, hence its valency is 3. Okay, that is equal to number of chlorine atoms. Next, similarly, if you look at the CH4 molecule, this black carbon atom represents this carbon atom, and this hydrogen atom, this one, and this hydrogen atom is this one, and this hydrogen atom is this one, and so totally how many hydrogen atoms are there? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and the middle one is carbon, as it can form 4 bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms. So the carbon valence is 4. Okay, next see the carbon dioxide molecule. I have taken this one. So in this 3D molecule, the black atom, it represents that carbon atom, and these red atoms, it represents oxygen atoms. Okay, so as I mentioned in the beginning, the definition of valency, so this carbon valency is twice the number of oxygen atoms. So here we have 2 oxygen atoms, so when you double it, it becomes 4. So the valency 4 for the carbon atom. Okay, that you can see here. So now you can see comparatively this BCl3 molecule, its valency is 3, as it can form 3 bonds, and CH4 molecule, the 3D molecule, this one 4, it is the carbon atom combining with 4 hydrogen atom, hence its valency is 4. And this is the carbon dioxide molecule, it is attached with 2 oxygen atoms. In the case of oxygen atom, you should take double the number of oxygen atoms as the valency of the central atom. So its valency is 4. Thank you for watching this video, and before I wrap up,